The journey of Indian Railways began in 1853 with simple wooden sleepers supporting the tracks. But as speed increased and loads grew heavier, the need for strength, precision and durability became essential. From wood to pre-stressed concrete sleepers evolved into the backbone of modern rail infrastructure. Today, that backbone is being engineered at scale with precision. Among the leaders driving this transformation stands SkyRail, located in Sri Amirgarh, Gujarat. India's first and largest semi-automatic carousel sleeper production unit built to meet the international standards. A facility where engineering meets vision and scale meets precision. Every strong foundation begins with a clear vision. Before building the plant, the journey began with understanding.
Before building the plant, we focused on learning from RDSO standards to international practices and real-world challenges across India. That understanding shaped everything we built here.
Rooted in a deep understanding of RDSO standards and guided by global knowledge and practical experience, this plant was built with one vision: to produce sleepers that match world-class quality. At SkyRail, quality doesn't begin at production. It begins at the source. High-grade aggregates, screened river sand, and 100% RO-treated water. Before any material is cleared for production, it must pass through our advanced laboratory. Here, every batch of sand, aggregate, cement, and all raw material undergoes strict testing to verify its composition, purity, and strength. With large-scale storage capacity and seamless rail and road connectivity, the plant is designed for uninterrupted production at an industrial scale. At the core of production lies intelligent automation. Intelligent automation-based planetary mixers equipped with moisture probes ensure consistent and high-quality concrete. Every parameter is monitored in real time, ensuring precision in every batch. By instantly adjusting the water levels inside the mixer itself, these moisture probes actively maintain the exact compaction factor required for high-strength concrete, ensuring absolute precision in every batch to guarantee perfect workability and flow. Simultaneously, sample concrete cubes are cast directly from the mix. These cubes serve as an unyielding record, securing physical proof of the batch's ultimate compressive strength long before the sleepers are cast. Strength is not added later. It is built into the structure. With closed-loop auto-tensioning systems, each sleeper is reinforced with precision, while strict tolerance molds ensure perfect dimensions every time. Powered by intelligent automation, our advanced tensioning machines utilize multiple sensors for precise tensioning. By collecting data in milliseconds, the system guarantees that every single wire receives the exact stretch, ensuring perfectly equal tensioning across the entire core. To withstand this immense high load, we have introduced a first-of-its-kind solid mold assembly, engineered to keep all dimensions absolutely precise even after multiple production cycles. It features our own specially invented rail seat, the optimal design to ensure strict compliance with the latest technical requirements of RDSO. From mixing to curing, every movement is engineered for efficiency. The distribution bucket system ensures smooth, accurate and uninterrupted concrete flow, powering a seamless production cycle. As the concrete is poured, a dual-frequency vibration system comes into action. Low-frequency vibrations compact the concrete, while high-frequency vibrations smooth the surface, removing air gaps and making the sleeper stronger and denser. A semi-automatic carousel system combined with auto concrete distribution ensures continuous high-speed production, while advanced demolding systems maintain product integrity without damage. Curing is where strength is perfected. With direct fire, vapor generators' temperature and humidity are precisely controlled. Massive water curing tanks and industrial automated cranes ensure uniform curing at scale.
Consistency is everything. If one sleeper fails, system fails. That's why every step is controlled. Technology is not support for us. That is the backbone of our system.
Automation continues beyond production. Motorized trolleys, side shifters, and intelligent handling systems ensure smooth movement without compromise. Each sleeper undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it can withstand extreme loads and real track conditions. Before reaching the tracks, every sleeper is tested using advanced, high-accuracy equipment, ensuring compliance with strict RDSO standards. Beyond strength, every dimension is carefully checked to exact tolerances. All test results are recorded digitally, ensuring complete traceability for every batch. And only those sleepers that meet these strict standards are approved for final use. Because here, quality is not assumed. It is tested, proven, and delivered. With an annual capacity of over 1 million sleepers, SkyRail operates at a scale where quantity meets uncompromised quality. Driven by innovation, continuous research, and advanced monitoring systems, SkyRail is not just meeting standards, it is setting new ones.
Our vision is simple: to build infrastructure that lasts and standards that lead.
Behind every journey, there is an unseen strength, a strength that carries millions, connects cities, and builds a nation forward. At SkyRail, we don't just create sleepers, we build the foundation of progress. SkyRail, building the backbone of India.